And the painting I chose was from when Megan was in the 5th grade. It's about 11 by 15 inches. And it's too big for any other kind of scanner, and it's something I don't want to damage in any way. So I take the lid off of my Flip Pal, flip it over, and place it on the art. I do the scan of that 4 by 6 inch area, and then move it over, giving it about an inch of an overlap, then do another scan, and I do that 8 different times. Now even though I went top left to top right, and then down to the bottom right, and then back to the left, it really doesn't matter. And I also left a bit of a margin around the edges, just an 1/8 of an inch or so. Then I take the SD card out and put it in my computer and run the new Toolbox 2 software. Well, now you click the EasyStitch menu and it finds the 8 scans on the SD card. I just highlight them and press Start, and about a minute later the stitched image is created. And it's all very automatic, but the result is with it's stitched, and you can see a little bit of edges around there, so I do a cropping, and that's what you get. You can see that it's very rectangular. It's not distorted like a digital camera would make it, and it's even so accurate that you can see that crease line down the middle. Well, darn, I wish I hadn't folded it when I put it in that memory box. So what I did is I used Photoshop, and it's got this cool clone tool that I used to remove that crease. And then after I did that, that's what it looks like after removing that crease.